Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an apartment rental website, and we'll be using Wix, which is a platform that will allow you to create your website for completely free. All you will need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you're going to enter your email address and you're going to create a login. So you're going to create a password. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And all you will need to do is tap on Create New Site. Once you have selected Create New Site, from here you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting that, I want you to tap on the search bar right here and you're going to type in apartment. After typing apartment, you can see apartment rental. We're going to tap on that, then select next. After selecting next, you can enter your website name. So I'll name this Test A just for example sake, then tap on next. After doing that, you can see the different plugins that will be added to your website. So for example, you will have the Wix Hotels plugin, which will allow you to manage and grow your hospitality business. You can also have the chat plugin, which will allow you to connect and communicate better with the visitors on your website. If you would like to upload your Instagram feed also, you can select Instagram. You can also scroll down. So let's say for example, you would like to add a blog. You could tap on blog to add blog. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. After selecting next, you're going to tap on begin with a template. From here, you'll be able to choose from the numerous templates that Wix provides. And with these templates, you'll be able to create a stunning website that will make it look like a professional created, even if you're a complete beginner. As you can see right here, there are numerous themes that you can choose from. So let's say for example, we would like to use this one right here. All you'll need to do is tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the website is being composed in the background. Once on this page, you have two options. You can either enter some information right here and tap on generate site text, and with the Wix AI, it will generate some content that will be added to your website. Or you can tap on the X to close out and you can manually add content. So for example, you'll tap on the plus right here. After you have tapped on the plus in the top right hand corner, this is how your website looks at the moment. So you can scroll down, you can see how it looks. And to make any changes, all you have to do is hover over the particular section that you would like to edit. Then tap on quick edit. From here, you will see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column. Then you can change the image if you want. So let's say for example, I wanted to change the background image. I could tap on change. Then from there, you can select image. After selecting image, there's going to be a pop-up. And from here, you can choose whether you would like to upload media from your device by tapping on upload media, or you could tap on the search bar right here and you could search on Wix for an copyright free image that you can use. So let me do that real quick and see if there's anything that I would like to use. So let's say for example, I would like to use this image instead. I could do that. Let me see right here which one I would like to use. So let's say for example this one. You'll select it, then tap on change background. After you have done that, you can see that the background image has now changed. And you can also edit the header section. You could tap right there. And from there, you could change the text. And you could also change the background image if you want. Once you're finished making your changes, you'll tap on the X. Then you can scroll down and you can continue making changes as you can see right here. And you can also add the Google Maps. So you'll tap right here and from here you'll be able to add the address or location of your apartment. Now, to add the different amenities and so on for your apartment, or to edit the contact page or so on, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap right where you see home. After you have tapped on home, you will see all of the pages that are currently on your website. So let's say, for example, I were to tap on book a room page right here. You'll be redirected to this page, and this is the book a room page right here. And from here, you'll be able to edit this information also. So just give it a few seconds to load up, then I'll be showing you how to. And from here, you can see how it looks at the moment. And as I was saying earlier, to edit this section and add your apartments and so on, all you'll need to do is tap on the section, then tap on quick edit. After you have tapped on quick edit, from here you will see a pop-up, and again you can edit it right there. And to do even further editing, so let's say for example you would like to add something to this page, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements. After you have tapped on add elements, if it is a case that you'd like to add a text, an image or so on, you can do that, as you can see right there. Also, if you would like to add a contact form, for example, that persons can interact with you, so we'll go back to the home page. So we're going to tap on home. Once on home, from here you could change the phone number right here. So you could hover over this section, tap on quick edit once more. Then from there we could scroll down, change the phone number right here. So you could change the phone number to your contact number. Another thing that you could also do is this section right here where customers could fill in. You could edit that if you want. And let's scroll down and see if there is any contact us. So you can see it right here. And we're going to be editing the contact us section. So you can tap right there, then tap on quick edit once more. And let's see what we are provided with. You can change the site background. You can change the information, as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, you can see contact us. You could change that title. You can change the field for each one. And then you can scroll down right there. I think everything looks good. So once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on save to save the changes. Then tap on save and continue. Once it has been saved, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. For example, if I were to tap on preview, you can see how it looks at the moment, and that is it. And once on this page, customers will be able to fill in their information right there and tap on contact our agents. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.